beginner, let's learn English with Beginner Trainer Academy preschool program in very easy and attractive way. Let's start. Lesson 1. Introduction, letters and sounds. How many letters are alphabet in English? There are 26 letters in English. How many sounds do the letter have? They have 44 sounds. Why there are 26 letters and 44 sounds? Because some letters have more than one sound. How many figures do letters have? They have two figures. Small letters and big or capital letters. Small letters called lowercase letters and big letters called uppercase letters. How many types of letters are there? There are 3 types of letters. Number 1, vowels. Number 2, semi-vowels. Number 3, consonant. There are 5 vowels in alphabet. Every word have at least one vowel. They are A, E, I, O, U. Semi-vowel. Semi-vowels, their speech sound is vowels but function like consonants. They are WY. They are part of consonants. All other letters are consonants except vowels. These are alphabets. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters. Let's learn how to read them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn this sound. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z.